stagnant in your career profile, there is something called unbeatable USP with which we can create variations of your resume suiting for each area of your experience. But how do we start when you are already stagnant in a role for last few years? So once you speak to me and go through this training, it takes less than 10 hours, and you will be very enthusiastic of aligning with your career goals. Many people forget about that after some time. Proactive about broadening the existing role, meaningful and strategic controls, seeking for insightful mentorship, expands professional network, opting for enhancement in skills. So these are some of the skills you already have, some of the aspects you already have, and it just requires some brushing with a lot of mindset issues around it. So if you are interested in going through this training, which takes you less than 10 hours, it spreads over a 90 days period, of course, but every day you will enhance on something. If you are interested, then book a call with me, and the link is in the bio. Thank you.